In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up notifications in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead to your settings. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side. And on the top bar in here, you can actually click your profile to go into settings. What you could also do is on the very bottom of the navigation panel, you will see an option for settings. Be sure to click on this one. And then you will actually see that on the account section, you will see a bar for notifications. And within here, you can actually manage some of your notifications. If you use Slack, you can actually add a notification here and add a new account. If you do use Discord, you could also add an account and be sure to on and off the notification itself. Within our email, the activities within our workspace, you want to keep this on or off depending on us, but we will actually get comments, mentions, page invites, reminders, and etc. Now, if you want to always send email notifications, then you should keep this on. If you don't, tick it off. We also have page updates, so we do receive email digests for changes within the pages that we are subscribed to. Now, if you want to turn on Workspace Digest, this just means that we receive email digests of what's happening within our workspace. You can also manage the notification settings within the announcements and update emails. You will go to the right-hand side and you will actually see a button for Manage Settings. And within here, it will actually take you to the Privacy Center of Notion, wherein you want to add a few things, wherein you want to manage your preferences. For marketing, you can either tick one of these, and if you want to subscribe to all form of notifications, you can click on this button in here. Let's say you are satisfied enough, just go to the very bottom of the page, and then click on Save Changes. And that's about it. That's how to set up notifications in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.